Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our fifth lesson and our lesson topic is tempo variation in CapCut. So in this class you will be learning how to speed up or how to maintain the tempo of your particular video. Like suppose you are having a video and some place you want to make it as fast and some place you want to keep it as slow or the normal speed. So now let's go over to the CapCut and see how we're going to create our video like that. So after opening a new project, you can see our particular interface is here. And now let's go and add our particular video over here. So we're going to use this particular video. I just downloaded from Pixabay. You can just download any videos from there. So we're importing it here and let's have a preview of our particular video over here. So let's play. So you can see our particular video is already in slow motion, but we'll apply some slow motion on this particular video and some fast motion also. Also, we'll try to keep our particular video in normal speed also. So now let's select our video and then bring it to our timeline. It will take some time to load over here. After loading, we'll just add our music. So based on our music, we'll keep our particular video speed. So for that one, let's go over to the audio and we'll be searching any audio from here. So let's search for a speed one. First, we should download one. So we'll be downloading this one. So as you can hear, this is the particular audio we're going to use. Let's try to find another one. Let's click on this. Let's drag this over here and we'll put our particular audio file over here. Now you can see our particular audio file also is here. Now let's trim this one. For that one, let's select this. Take this one over here, split. We don't need this part, we'll delete. And after deleting, you can just see our particular video with the audio. So here you can see it's playing. Now let's try to adjust the speed of our particular video. For that one, let's select the video. Let's go over here to the speed option. Here you can see two type of speed is there, normal and curve. If you drag this normal one, it will just show you the duration from 19 second to 2.4 second it became. So we don't want to use this one. We'll be using the curve here. So for the curve, we are going to use the customize one. Let's select the customize one and here let's rearrange this one. So here you can see if I drag like this, our timeline also is moving. So like that you can do. Let's try to customize each one of them. So now you can see this is like this. This is fast. Then let's come over here. We'll make it more slow. We'll just press over here. Now let's make it slow. And then let's go again here. Let's make it fast once again. Let's go and make it here also the same. We can make this also like that. And now to have a preview, let's go over here and let's play once again. Now you can see our particular video is ready with our particular audio with the speed up option. So we just decrease and increase our particular speed. Now, one thing you can just do to export, like go over here, click on export. You can just select the resolution. Let's select to 4K. Let's make it to 60 fps, and then format will keep like this. We'll change the file name as edit2, and now let's click on export. So when we are exporting, it's just showing like how much time it need, 20 seconds, what is the size, resolution, bitrate, everything it will show over here. And after this, you will get your final product, and then you can just upload it in your particular website or particular social media account like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Also, even you can upload in YouTube also. So I hope you all understand about this class. If you are having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.